Hi, my name is Brian Docherty. These are some questions for Judge Paul Kelly of Letterkenny, who has ordered the removal of our children because my wife and I reported a paedophile. Judge Kelly, judges in countries worldwide have been imprisoned for colluding with organised crime. I cannot think of a more disgusting and sickening form of organised crime than child sex abuse. My first question is, do you think a judge is above the law? If not, what punishment do you think a judge should receive for putting a family through misery and extreme heartache and putting our children at risk from predatory, powerful paedophiles whom you and the Irish state have acted on behalf of? Would you agree, Judge Kelly, that the majority of people you have sentenced have committed far lesser crimes than you, the judge who removed children into the care system at the behest of powerful paedophiles? My wife can see no reason why anyone would cover up paedophilia unless they were involved in this disgusting crime themselves. Could you please explain to my heartbroken wife why you would put our 4 wonderful innocent children into the care system without legal justification at the request of paedophiles? One has to question whether you've been promised a great promotion or whether you are in some way involved in this heinous activity. For what reason have you, Judge Paul Kelly, covered up child sex abuse? Freemasonry and paedophilia go hand in hand. This is particularly true for senior Freemasons. The tenets of Freemasonry are ultimately and openly satanic. Child abuse is often referred to as satanic ritualistic abuse for this reason. As a Freemason, Judge Kelly, is it appropriate for you to be the judge in a case involving Masonic child abuse? The reason why Freemasons in Police Scotland and the Scottish and Irish governments are attacking my family. As a Freemason, will you admit there is a massive conflict of interest with you representing the interests of Freemasonic paedophiles in Scotland and Ireland, and on the other hand the interests of justice with regards to my children and family and children's well-being? Now, not all Freemasons are paedophiles or paedophiles Freemasons. Paedophile rings have been described as secret societies within secret societies. Paedophiles who are Freemasons use the Masonic network to identify vulnerable children and use police officers within Freemasonry to target those who expose child abuse, such as my wife and I. As a Freemason, Judge Kelly, do you appreciate that your position as a judge is massively compromised between your role as a supposed representative of the law and a Mason who has taken an oath to his brothers, which includes many involved in child sex abuse?